To remove better and use widget from a taskbar in Windows 10 Home, right click empty area on the taskbar and then select news and interest, select turn off. Okay, better and use widget was removed from taskbar. To show, right click again empty area on taskbar and then select news and interest, and then you can select show icon and text or show icon only. To remove, right click empty area on taskbar and then select news and interest and then select turn off to remove. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.